Hello, hello, hello. It's another fine morning here today. Apparently it's going to be 20 degrees. Lovely, jubbly. We've been blessed with really good weather this week. And today we've just organised a road trip. We set up like 6 waypoints on the Google Maps. And yeah, we're just going to be taking a little road trip on the moped, seeing some of the stuff that people have recommended. So yeah, let's get it. So the first spot isn't the one we planned at all, but we found a road on the way down that we really want to get the drones out and film us on the peds. Get some action shots. Let's check it out.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Oh mate, she wouldn't give me directions the whole way here and pipes up when we've stopped. Go, go, go! So we got Mike on drone duty and Tom on moped duty. So we've just been blasting the drones around, filming each other on the mopeds. And yeah, sending the drones up here, everything looks absolutely beautiful. There's so many little alcoves in between the cliff edges and lagoons. And just at the end of this road actually is the Popeye film set where they made the film. And apparently it just looks like, almost like cartoon in real life. So we're excited to go see that next. Just arrived and it looks insane. As we came over the hill, you can see the village. It's like a Disney set or something. I don't know why I didn't register. I didn't really want to come here. I didn't really click in my head that it was the film set and what it would be like, but I'm so glad we've come. Looking forward to showing you it. We went to inquire about tickets, but we're cheapskates, isn't it? It's like 11 euros to get in, and all we want to do is walk around. As you're saying, you can go watch the film and get postcards and all this, and we just wanted to look round. But luckily you can see the entire village from this viewpoint. Check that out. Crazy, it's like a Disney set or something. Oh, I wasn't even filming. So sorry, I thought I was filming and I wasn't. Classic. And we're just coming down this little canyon, leads you down right opposite Popeye Village. We didn't want to pay, so we'll just come down here instead. It's going to be beautiful. Hey! Check it out. This dude's already having a little whim. Tom, the cave explorer. Oh, he's in. He's in. He's going to stack it and I'm going to crack up. Keeping this filming just in case. Oh. And that was the last time we ever saw Tom. You definitely can't see on here, but we've just seen a bunch of jellyfish. So he's definitely not getting in there. This is flipping gorgeous. We're all done with Popeye Village. Off to the next spot. Just arrived. Golden Sands Beach. I hate beaches, to be honest. Still got my headphone in. I absolutely hate them. They're windy. Sand gets everywhere. But check it out. But we actually came here because a local told us if you keep walking around the coast, there's a much better spot hidden away from everyone else. So that's what we're trying to find. Tom's in his element, he bloody loves the beach. Yeah, I think there's a path there. I'm going to try and get ourselves up there. Look at these plants. They look a bit like me. Check it out.
You want to get your drone up here, boys?
Another alcove. Over there is a tiny little, almost private beach. Got a lot of time for this sign. No butts on the beach. No plastic. Plastic lasts 400 years in the sea. Stay clean. 5-minute clean up. Keep pushing those messages, everyone. You know what it is? Another Maltese staircase. Decided to stop for lunch because this restaurant looks banging. Lunch with a view or what? Nothing better than getting to a menu and seeing
Meat.
Vegan, not meat. Lunch is finished, and we are going to go for a little up here along that ridge. Got a certain drone shot I want to get. So, Alex Arnold, eat your heart out. This place is full of surprises. Let's reach the top, got the drone going. And we're hoping to get inside there. You probably can't see it's in the shadow, but Tom's climbing into the abyss. So, made it up. That's where we came from, down there. Check this out. This place is full of surprises. Half the stuff we've seen I was not expecting from this trip. It's crazy. The landscapes change constantly. The sea is beautiful. And yeah, the coastline is rugged, real rugged, but beautiful. And I'm having the best time filmmaking here. Highly recommend it to anyone who's been thinking about coming to Malta. Do it, do it. That was easily the best drone flight I've done since we got here. Absolutely incredible scenes. I can't wait to put this Malta video together, man. I'm real excited to get it out. But I think we're pretty much done here now, unfortunately. And we're going to be moving on, walking back to the mopeds and going somewhere for sunset. Let's go. Just found some olive trees. Never seen real olive trees in the wild. Not sure what time of year they grow or what, but no olives. Must be the wrong time of year. That's sad.
Ready, boys?
Go for it. Oh man! Cheers for ruining the shot. And oh okay, yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, take two. Just made it in time for sunset. Look at that over the ocean. Loving it. We got lost so many times. We actually ended up in the middle of a farmer's field. Quality. It's pretty hard to navigate using Google Maps only through headphones. But we made it. So I'm going to send the drone up, get the last of the light, get a time lapse on my camera. Happy, happy days. So that's the end of another day in Malta. It was nice to watch the sunset. I set both my cameras up and just left them to get a time lapse, and it was nice to just sit back and actually watch the sunset. Sometimes you can miss these moments from behind the camera, so I like to make sure I can actually sit back and take it in sometimes. But yeah, gonna kill the cameras again now. Once it's dark, there's really no point. I can't film much. Tonight we're going up stargazing, so I'll be uploading that kind of content to social media and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and on the morrow.